Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're doing a video today on a Lathe and Shipley 24 by 78 engine lathe. It's a model 20-inch standard. The serial number on this machine is 42010, and it happens to be our stock number 9634. Again, this is a 24-inch swing Lathe and Shipley with 78 inches between centers. We're going to go ahead and run the machine for you, show you the virtues of how well it runs and the overall condition of this gem. Go ahead, Frankie. 21. Currently starting out at 21 RPM. This machine has a generous spindle speed range. It goes from 21 to 1740 RPM with 24 changes. Going 81 RPMs. I'd like to sneak in here and start showing off the high quality condition of these hardened ways. We'd like to also point out we're including a beautiful 21-inch 4-jaw chuck. 173 RPM. Tripping over the tripod here. All in, last call. Tell us what you're up to, Frank. Doing a little feed engagement for us. I'm a little bit high, gotta come down. Sorry, do it all again. We were off having a beer. We'd like to point out there's 60 threads on this machine and 60 feeds. There's 60 threads ranging from 4 to 256 TPI. There's 24 spindle speed changes from 21 to 1740. Machines like this just aren't easily found anymore. It's a runner. It's a low-hour machine. It's in great condition. I'd also like to point out the fact that it has a taper attachment. Here's your heavy-duty tailstock. We're going to walk around the back of this machine. 275 RPM. .3 RPMs, folks. Easily done with the 15 horsepower main drive motor. What's the voltage on this thing? 240? This machine is currently wired at 240 volts with your 15 horse main drive motor down below, electrical cabinet, showing the rear taper attachment on the back, absolutely magnificent, heavy pattern with the bed clamp. I'd like to sneak in and start taking a closer look at these ways. 1740. 1740 RPMs. I really do want to get a close-up on some of the overall conditions here. Tailstock, showing the cross slide. Beautiful ways up near the headstock, thank you so much. I'd like to show you this threading chart and the feed and speeds chart. Here's your RPM chart. Also shows the feeds down here with the threads down here. This is a really interesting, unique chart. Lathe and Shipley did a great job with that.
Doesn't make it dizzy.
Easily identified lever positioning knob chart. Right hand thread, left hand thread, laid out very simple and easy. Coming around to the business end of things, the spindle RPM on this, or the spindle taper is 1 7/8". The overall weight on this machine is 8,500 pounds. It'll take up 156 inches of length by 55 inches of width in the shop. Well, on behalf of Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for reviewing this 6-minute video. Hopefully we can save you a trip out to Salt Lake City, Utah by watching this video and being comfortable with what you see. Again, it's a Lathe and Shipley 24x78, model 20-inch standard heavy pattern engine lathe, serial number 42010, our stock number 9634. This video and any additional photos can be found on our website at www.machineryconsultants.com. That's www.machineryconsultants.com out of Salt Lake City, Utah. Thanks again and have a great day.